Hey y'all, Kyle here. Thanks for joining me on the first video of the 280z teardown and hopefully rebuild eventually. Still in the teardown phase, but anyway, thanks for joining. This is the first video of the series, and you can see it's in time-lapse. Most of the videos will be in time-lapse as we go through this. I'd like to keep the cameras out of the way as possible, so I'm not spending a lot of time moving the camera around, and as opposed to working on the car. But as we get into later and later videos, what you'll see is it gets in more detail. I have a pretty versatile tripod that I move around and try to get in the car into the area that I'm working on. Most of the early ones are going to be these wide shots because it's doing relatively obvious stuff like pulling up carpets or taking the seats out, and it's like 4 bolts, and those are going into labeled baggies that have descriptions and dates on, so I can go back to these videos and remember exactly what I took out and what those parts are for. So this video again is just the first one. A couple buddies came over and we're just getting rid of some of the most obvious stuff, like again carpets, any stuff in the center console and the glove box, getting the spare tire out, which you can see on the floor there behind the driver door, and other obvious stuff like that. We're spending a lot of time in the back there. I think this is when we first realized that there was a pretty significant rust hole in the spare tire, and when I say significant, significant for this vehicle. So this is really overall a pretty clean car, with the exception of the frame rails, and but you'll see some of that as the video series progresses. So yeah, appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for the support from the Z-Car forum. They've already helped out in a bunch of ways, and obviously to my friends who you can see here helping out, and they have a lot more experience doing this than I do. So thanks, guys.